Uh, Higher education is important in India because it helps people develop skills and knowledge that can lead the better opportunity and a better quality of life. It can also help the country develop and progress. And there are lots of benefit uh, in India for higher education, like career opportunity and personal development, global competitives, cultural ethics, national developments, and economical developments. And it's a very important for everyone for learning new things uh, and living in society. Education is the most important for every people. And importance in education in India, like social mobility. Higher education can help people from different background get the skill they need to success. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Gaurav Kumar.
Yeah, good
What,
afternoon,
ma'am?
ma'am. I'm Gaurav Kumar Jha from Computer Science and Engineering branch. I'm grateful to you for this opportunity. Education is very important for all of us. As we know, it plays the important roles in our daily basics. It is important for good ethics. In India, in current scenario, we have seen that lots of people getting for higher education. As in past, many people are illiterate, and higher education people get more ethics, and they are more responsible for their work, and they are more knowledgeable, and it will also shown on their works and daily lifestyles.